guys, it's Jeanine Amapola and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, you might notice my background's different. That's because I'm in Dallas currently filming right now. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to pack in a carry-on suitcase for a long trip. So as you're watching this video, I will currently be in Europe and I had to pack in a carry-on suitcase. Number one reason why I did that was because I have so much bad luck with traveling that I have lost my suitcase so many times. And I cannot fathom the thought of losing my suitcase traveling internationally. So a carry-on suitcase is the smartest, safest way to go. Number two is I'm currently traveling in Europe in a van with my sister and brother-in-law. You will catch this on my vlog channel, Jeanine TV, link down below. And the van is so small that my sister was like, Jeanine, you have to pack light. For those two reasons, I will be showing you guys how to pack in a carry-on suitcase for a long trip. I will be in Europe for about 12 days and I'm going to show you guys everything I pack, my backpack, all my tips and tricks of how to do it. If you guys want more travel tips, life hacks, how I pack, everything that I use, I have two other really good travel videos that you guys can refer to as well. That'll be linked down below for you guys. Okay, so let's just get right into this video and I hope you guys like it. Starting off traveling, I always bring one carry-on suitcase with me and a backpack. This is my North Face backpack and I love this thing to death. This is my ride or die backpack when I travel. I've brought this with me to so many countries, places. Definitely recommend, I'll have it linked down below. So I'm just gonna show you guys really quickly what I pack in my carry-on backpack and everything that I need. So let's begin. In the front of my backpack, I carry my Apple Watch charger, my iPhone charger, which I have neatly organized by clipping it with a clip. So these belong in the front. In the front pouch, I have my passport. And then I bought this little passport holder from Amazon, I believe. I actually got this for my birthday, so I think my brother got this for me for my birthday on Amazon. And this is great because it has little flaps that you can store extra money, your passport, your boarding pass, and any other extra little tickets you might have. So this is really, really handy, so you can get this on Amazon. On the other side, I carry my iPhone. Speaking of my iPhone, I need to silence that. Another thing that I carry is my vlog camera. So you guys will notice that I carry a lot of camera equipment because I am a YouTuber. So I'm bringing my Canon G7X in this little pouch. And then on this side, I just have a reusable bottle. This is from Swell. It's a little mini version. I love these. Definitely recommend you guys carry one of these if you're going to be traveling. All right, inside this pouch, these are vital when I'm traveling. So these are from Dagny Dover. These are little mesh pouches where I carry a lot of stuff. In the first one, I have headphones. I have 3 different sets of headphones actually. So I have my wireless headphones that I love using to block out noise and for editing. When those die, then I have another one that can plug into my computer that are for noise canceling as well. Then I have the actual legit Apple headphones as well. I have my dongle that allows me to use these headphones with my iPhone 7 if I want to. And then I have my splitter that allows me to play music on my headphones and charge my phone at the same time. So lots of headphone gear. Thanks Apple for completely complicating things. That is what's in this pouch. In this other pouch I have my Morphe external charger, the charger for my Canon G7X, extra batteries for my Canon 5D, and I have the charger, but the charger is currently in the outlet right now. I have my MacBook charger. In this red pouch, I carry my toothbrush and my Crest 3D white toothpaste. So I always have some toothpaste or gum or mints or something on me because when you're traveling, your breath gets pretty nasty and we don't want that. And then I just have 2 pens. You definitely will need these when you're filling out forms on the plane because there will be those forms that they make you fill out when you land and all that stuff. And then also so I can highlight my book while I'm reading because I like to bring a book with me on the plane, which you guys will see. Next, I bring an eye mask and I bring my computer glasses so I can use my computer and not strain my eyes. These are from Felix Gray. And that's everything that's in this middle compartment. Moving along to the big compartment. So in here I have a little pouch that has like gum, glasses, my debit cards, a mirror, chapstick, and like an excess rubber band. Then I store my makeup in here as well because there isn't room in my suitcase. So this is where I put my makeup and it's not that heavy or anything and I totally have room for it in here, so I put my makeup in here. And just make sure all your sizes are TSA approved. I think they have to be 3.4 ounces and less. I bring a book and this is a cover I have for my books so they don't get destroyed. This is from Bookbo. Then I bring my Canon 5D. So obviously if you're not a YouTuber or whatever, if you're not really big into photography, you're not gonna have this with you, but this is what I bring. So this is my Canon 5D Mark IV, which does make it pretty heavy in my bag, but That's what you gotta do. And then I bring my extra lens, which is a Canon 24 to 70mm. The last thing at the bottom of this is you're probably like, what is this? But this is an inflatable neck pillow. This is freaking genius because other neck pillows take up so much room. This one you can inflate and deflate. So it's incredible, and you can get this at Bed Bath & Beyond. So this is great. You can just deflate it when you're done and just stick it in there and no worries. And then the last thing in my backpack is my MacBook. So this is obviously an essential for me. That is everything that is in this bag. And also I leave a little bit of room in here in case I make purchases when I'm abroad, which most likely will happen. And I can store them in here if I need to, if there's not room in my carry-on suitcase. So now I'm gonna show you guys what I pack and how I pack on my actual carry-on suitcase. So all of this will be fitting in my carry-on. Okay, so this is my toiletry bag. This is where I carry all my random other extra products. So this, for example, has my hair cream, so it like gets rid of the frizz, shaving cream, my shampoo and conditioner, my sunscreen, body wash, my razor, dry shampoo, deodorant, a scrunchie, bobby pins, and floss. So that is what is in this bag, and this bag is from Dagny Dover. Up next is my toiletry bag. So this is where I carry all my skincare products. So first I have my Kiehl's texturizing serum, my vitamin C serum from Kiehl's, my night cream, and my toner. This is my fresh rose water toner, my Kiehl's facial cleanser, my eye cream and day cream, and some cotton rounds, and then my Roden & Fields eyelash serum. And you can buy these travel bottles at Target or CVS. Alright, so up next, these are some of the clothing items I'm bringing. A bunch of t-shirts, some pajamas, and all that. And the only way that I was able to carry all of this in my carry-on suitcase was by using this amazing bag called a magic bag. It suctions out all the air so that you can bring a lot more stuff. You can get one of these at Target or Walmart. I got mine at Walmart, and these are a game changer, so definitely get some of these. So I'm bringing more t-shirts, and I'm also bringing 2 dresses and just types of pieces I can rewear if I need to. I can wear with dark jeans, black jeans, or whatever, shorts. So again, rolling the air out, and then I also packed my underwear in a Ziploc bag and suctioned the air out again. I brought a denim skirt, 2 shorts, 2 leggings, and 2 pairs of jeans. And then again, repeated the process of doing this in my magic bag, sucking out the air. Alright, so those are all the clothing items that I am bringing. Alright, so now it's time to pack this suitcase up. So the first thing that I bring are my Mark Fisher wedges, and then I'm bringing a purse. You can only have 2 carry-ons on the plane with you, so I'm sticking my purse in here and also sticking my converters in there to maximize the space. Bringing some sandals from lulus.com. My red toiletry bag. Then my skincare bag, and also my straightener. And you're really just going to want to stick as many products in empty spots as possible. That's really how you do it. And then also bringing my hair tools converter, and then my drone equipment, which you probably won't have, but I do because I'm bringing my drone. And then, yeah, like I said, just really sticking your items as efficiently as you can. If there's an empty spot, you stick it there. Basically, that's how I do it for everything. I also bring this bag of random things like cotton swabs, Tide to Go, that sort of thing. My melatonin and Advil, some makeup wipes in a Ziploc bag, my jewelry, and then more drone stuff. And then now I'm going to go ahead and stick all my clothing in here and just trying to find a way to pack it as efficiently as possible. I also stuck my bra in there and 1 denim jacket. So now I'm going to shut that and go ahead and place my bras on the top and 1 swimsuit. So that all fits nice and neatly in my bag. It stays super organized, and it works really well, and my suitcase zipped up with no problem, which was great. So good to go. So as far as the outfit I wear on the plane, I always want to wear something that's very comfy and also something that I don't really mind not using the rest of the trip, because when you travel, you're gonna get kind of stinky and sweaty. So let me show you guys really quickly what I would wear. So first up, I would wear something like loose and hangy and very comfy. So this is just a white v-neck from Nordstrom. And I don't necessarily mind not wearing this the rest of the trip. So wear a shirt that you don't really care to not wear again, unless you can wash your clothes again. Like if you can wash your clothes on the trip, then wear it. But I don't mind if I can't use this again on the trip because it's gonna be smelly after traveling. I always bring a sweater or a cardigan because planes tend to be freezing cold. So this is just a Brandy Melville cardigan that I would throw over my outfit as well. Next, I would wear just like a pair of black leggings, and I can reuse these on the trips because I don't mind reusing leggings. They don't get that smelly after traveling for me. I would wear just like a black sports bra so I'm super comfy. You're gonna wanna wear your heaviest pair of shoes if you can. So these shoes are my more bulkier shoes. These ones won't fit probably in my carry-on suitcase as well. You're gonna wanna wear something that's comfy, but also something that can take up less space in your suitcase. So these are my most bulky shoes that I can wear that are comfy and good for walking. So I would wear these on the plane. These are my white Vans. So that is a typical travel outfit for me. Alright everybody, so that is everything that I carry in my suitcase and how I pack it and how I pack efficiently. Hopefully these tips helped you guys out because I had a lot of people message me on Instagram saying, please help me, I'm packing for like 2 weeks in a carry-on suitcase, I don't know how to do it. So I really hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you want to see all my adventures of me in Europe, then definitely check out my vlog channel and my Instagram. I will have everything on both of those and all my adventures and pictures and things I'm seeing and places to recommend to you guys. So my vlog channel is Jeanine TV and my Instagram is Jeanine Amapola. And again, don't forget to check out my 2 other travel videos with a bunch more tips listed down below for you guys, and I will see you guys next Saturday. I love you guys so much, and peace out, girls.